Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host. Today, we're diving into a story that's making headlines in the electric vehicle sector, and it's got nothing to do with batteries or motors. In China, where the electric car market is heating up, steelmakers are facing a crisis of their own. The price war in the EV industry has put considerable pressure on these raw material suppliers, leading to financial problems that threaten the stability of their operations. According to reports from Bloomberg, automakers like Dongfeng Motor Group, Guangzhou Automobile Group, and China FAW Group have been asking steelmakers to reduce prices for steel sheets by over 10% since last year. And in some cases, payments to steel mills are being delayed for months. The China Iron and Steel Association is sounding the alarm on this issue. Automobile companies are competing fiercely in terms of prices, they say, putting considerable pressure on raw material suppliers. This has seriously affected the stable operation of plants, and it's a new challenge for these steelmakers who already face long-term real estate crises and economic slowdowns due to trade wars. But that's not all. This price war is also prompting Chinese authorities to express concerns about supply chain financing. In May, some companies reduced prices for new energy vehicles, sparking another round of price competition in the industry. Now, you might be wondering what's behind this chaos. The answer lies in China's booming electric vehicle market. With car production reaching record highs in 2023 and 2024, over 30 million units, the demand for steel is sky-high. In fact, last year's production of flat products used in the industry reached a staggering 40 million tons. And it seems like this trend isn't slowing down anytime soon. China has just increased its steel exports by 9.9% compared to May 2024, with 10.58 million tons exported in May 2025 alone. So what's at stake here? For the steelmakers, it's clear. A fair and orderly market is essential for their survival. And that's exactly what the China Iron and Steel Association is calling for: cooperation between automakers and steel suppliers to achieve a more stable market function. That's all for today's episode of ElectroDrive News. We'll be keeping an eye on this story as it unfolds, so stay tuned for updates from the world of electric vehicles.